And it's just keep it simple, stupid really applies. That things like knowing what drone sounds like, what kind of drone that is. Like, cool, yeah, that sounds super fancy, but you hear it often enough, and then you can kind of start to learn, okay, this is the threat that's coming my way. And when you know what threat's coming at you, you're not going to freak out. Artillery's a lot less intimidating when you know it's probably coming, as opposed to just all of a sudden the ground opens up. It's a common enough thing, and it's one of the first things we spot as snipers when we play our games, when we do obs lanes. Apertures give you away all the time. What I'm talking about with aperture detection is covering up the end of your optic right there. I mean, they have aperture like kill flash for both LPVOs,
Yep, right here.
long scopes. Yeah, Mike's got one on his rifle there.
So we got one on the saw.